Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be going through 3 useful yet underrated Windows 11 features. So without any further delay, let's hop in. Alright guys, well the first Windows 11 feature is called as title bar window shake. So essentially say that you have multiple windows open, and if you tap on the title bar and shake, all the other windows will be minimized. Now hold up, this feature is disabled by default, so to enable it, it's pretty simple. So just click on the Windows key and then search for snap settings. Now once you've done that, you'll see an option called as title bar window shake. So just go ahead and enable that, and boom, you're pretty much good to go. So yeah, all in all, this is a super useful Windows 11 feature. So yeah, definitely give this one a try. Well, the next Windows 11 feature is called as legacy right click. So to give you an example, if you want to create a new folder on the desktop, what do? You basically right click and then click on show more options, then you click on new, and then you create a folder, right? Well, there's a quicker way to that. So you basically just hold the shift and F10 keys simultaneously, and yeah, this will basically directly take you to that particular setting. So this is actually kind of a Windows keyboard shortcut, but yeah, it's definitely useful, so definitely give it a try. And last but certainly not the least is a Windows 11 feature called as Focus Assistant. So do you often find yourself getting distracted by notifications? Well, if you're that person, then Focus Assistant is going to be a super useful feature for you. So essentially with this, you can regulate when you want to receive notifications and when you don't want to. Now apart from that, say you're doing a specific task like gaming and you do not want any disturbance, well, you can actually set the Focus Assistant to block notifications during this particular period as well. Now here's how you can enable the Focus Assistant. So press on the Windows key and then just search for Focus Assistant. Now once you're over here, just make sure to enable it, and well, you have a bunch of options to actually play with. So again, this is a super useful Windows 11 feature, so definitely give it a shot. And well, that's basically it for this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and well, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Peace out.